Okay guys, so I'm back and this is part 2. Whoa, and it has flash on.
Flash on.
Oh god, no.
I am dead.
What the crap? Guys, I know you can't see it very well. It's because it's raining and it's so cold and it looks like it's snowing. See, look, it looks like it's snowing. No, stop it. Where are you going? Oh, it's a car. Oh, a car's coming over there. Go, hurry. Oh my god, there's 2 cars coming. Oh, there's another car coming over there. It's coming. Oh my god!
Touch it!
We're getting in trouble.
Come on,
This is so funny. Okay, get the other newspaper that's over there.
Where's the car coming? I don't see no car.
So it's a really rainy day, and our neighbor's light is on.
Oh no!
Shut up.
No.
The neighbors are right there looking at us. Okay, guys. So I don't know. This is my first ever video I did, but this is my first vlog, and it's really cool having these kids. Hey, come back over here.
I was kidding, baby.
Baby! Come back! I'll tell your mom. I think I'm gonna get sick, guys.
So right now we're going to this right here.
I hope I don't get sick.
I bring you some flowers, okay?
Oh shit! Don't do that to my uncle's car. That looks like Slenderman right in there.
Oh.
I was just kidding. I was kidding. Okay, I'm gonna tell your mom that you went to the road. If you go inside.
Guys, come in.
I was gonna say car coming. Okay, y'all watch over here if there's a car coming, and I watch the other side. And I scream, car coming, okay? You watch that side, I watch this side. Oh my god, what did it... There's no car coming. You know what? I'm scared over there being alone. Do we go inside instead?
Yeah, I want to wash mine. I don't know what I would call it. Well, you don't have to worry. Let's pretend that you're 20 or something like that.
Okay, guys, so my flash ran out because my battery is too low. So if you can't see, I'm so sorry. My flash went away just by itself because that means that my phone is on charging. And I'm gonna end this part in 5 minutes. So like 5 minutes because it's almost 5. So yeah, I hope
you have a wonderful day.
Yeah, but we're not still gonna say bye because we are gonna still record. We have 60 seconds. No le digas a mami, okay? Hey guys, I think we have to go inside. It's really cold out here and I'm sick. And if I get more sick, I will not have enough to sleep. Okay, bye guys. It's already 5 minutes over
I
here.
hope you have a really stormy, happy day, okay? Because this day is like our crazy. It's spring, but it's like spring means like
It's
rain.
today was really fun, but I guess we're going inside already. So I'll see you guys, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.